Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia came out for Sean Miller, and that is a pastor that she had a discussion with. She said he, contacted her and they had a discussion that was about they spoke about lawyers and stuff. She said there was nothing there that they spoke about. He did not give her any money um to pay for a hotel. Like people were saying on another platform. Now, she's saying that he's been on other platforms and given the person money after the person had basically said what they wanted to say about her. The person said, okay, the pastor came over and, dissed her, Marcia, and, is now in good grace with them. So she's talking about him and saying that, basically, if he was a pastor, he wouldn't be in the mix-up thing. He would have been like other pastors that are regular pastors that wouldn't have been mixed up in all these things. So even if she had spoken something to him, which he did not, you know, then he wouldn't have gone in the mix up world because that is far from what a pastor would do. A pastor would sit and listen to what you say and, would keep it that way. But these pastors are, doing the most nowadays. So go ahead, guys, and listen to what Marcia has to say about this pastor. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and the channel. And guys, don't forget to hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And as I always say, have yourselves a wonderful afternoon.
Go and be like Pastor Nelson. Go and be like Leslie from Florida and preach the word of God and come out of the mix-up page. Me never know say them there's something they are going. Then me ask a question. You are not my relative. How the rascal you come on social media and discuss me and me ignore you? And you come on the page the other night to bring up Bush Part Restaurant, and you would take me out, And me say me know what you're doing. The only help me would take from you unless is a liar. Where you implement the last time, where we discuss. The whole conversation that you and I had the last time when I first moved out of Woodland Village. And me damn hotel. Me hear somebody I'll type up on Queen Bee page if I the pastor man who pay for my hotel for the first time. Let me tell you something, lady. Go get your facts straight. Me in my place before that man get in touch with me. Me in my place 2-3 weeks before the man get in touch with me. You understand me? So him never pay for nothing. You understand? So no bother with it. So me never know say them is something they are going. I never know say you still bring up all kind of something. Well, you say me disrespect you, well, I force me disrespect you now. Don't take back your blood clot on this page. Sean Miller, you is no fucking pastor. You is no pastor. You're so fucking disappointing to me. If it even talk to you. If I knew you were so, I would not hold a conversation with you. I'm not telling no secret. We're all talking about Facebook. And the bullying and how you can help to resolve it. And you come on my page last night before night and insert yourself with the whole heap of blood clot essay them where you write up. Me tell you already now, me analyze you, you are going through a mental problem. I realize that you are going through a mental problem. You're sick and you need to go and pray to God a little faster. Me don't want a prayer from you and me don't want nothing from you. And through me analyze you, me say, you something is wrong. Me try to keep your conversation them and the long letters them we are writing behind closed door. Me could have released them. And now me hear say you come on social media and diss me. And I have the nerve to go over there and give the boy $100 while him a cost me. Me really pass over there yesterday, and see him put one line up, Pastor apologized to me and this caca eye. Me hear it. Let me tell you something. Are you over your page here, they write up one piece of essay about me, Oh, me's a woman of God. Let me tell you something. Me bless and highly favor and I'm very talented. You know who me is, and none of you know they can't get my soul. Me not care what you want to say. You are a disappointment to the name pastor. You have time to repent. You are a disappointment to the name. Me say big up to Bishop Morgan and Bishop Nelson them from Jamaica. Them man there, you can't talk to them about nothing and then pray for you never hear them going. And you think say Bishop Morgan or Pastor Nelson or any other pastor would have go on 300 page or even go on over the fence page. If you go ask them question. Me never know say still I bring up something. Did I ever ask you for any help? Not a blood clot. I never ask you for no help. How the fuck you go and come on social media, come and talk about you reach out to me because you hear say, me living in my car. Yes, so yeah, follow Mixup page and yeah, watch me. And I you say, yeah, watch me. Listen to me. You see your sister from England or somebody introduce me. Sister, go talk to your brother. Carry your brother go to a mental institution. Because me analyze people. Carry your brother go to a mental institution because something wrong with him. I mean, don't. What are you doing? What are you doing calling? What are you doing calling yourself a pastor? You know how much fake pastor out there? How dare you coming up and talking about you were collecting money to surprise me? Did I ask you for the money? No, I didn't. Every time you call me and you send message, are you okay? Do you have food? Me say me don't need no food. How do you ask if you go talk about me not have food and me have food every day and go to a restaurant every day? What kind of fucker is that? Sean Miller, what is your problem? Do you know how much money? I don't give a fuck when nobody wants to social media. Them not pay the amount of money when me are paying at this blood clot place. Me not ask you. They are not paying it. Which part me I live? A mortgage money. Me not ask you or me not ask none of those haters for nothing. Stop it. Stop it. I haven't spoken to you from the last time in a WhatsApp. From them the time they go up on the man page and me come out and talk. You walk around and tell people say me cuss you off. I force me ever disrespect you. Don't put back your blood clot on this pussy clot, bomber clot, blood clot page. Sean Miller. You is too fucking mix up. I don't know what is going on in your life. But I'm telling you, don't you ever come back on my page and type up. You have been typing up on my page for months now. I'm going to ignore you. Until night before night. When you come up and me say look bad and me say listen to me. Me not speaking to you, know. The only weird thing you did you tell me say call me. I will take you out for your birthday. I mean if you take your birthday, I have my money. Me have my money for come on birthday and go on business. Me not understand. You did you insert yourself. I am asking the people them what nice restaurant. You insert yourself in there if you tell me about nice restaurant. How you dare me say, listen, me not talking to you for the last time. The only thing I take from you is unless you give me the proper channel where you had first implemented. I hit me and you talk about. We not talk about no money. We not talk about no place. We not talk about nothing. Me never know some blood clot desperate. Sean Miller, I have 6 brothers and sisters in the United States. Them have house and them have extra room. I can come out of this blood clot right to spot me there right now and put in my Jeep and fly up on one plane and go to Carolina. Got my sister Pennsylvania have empty room. Me have a sister in North Carolina have a 4-bedroom house. And she and her son in there. Me have another sister in North Carolina have a 3-bedroom house and she alone in there. Me have another sister, she have a 3-bedroom house. One is empty because her son gone to college. Me no need no blood clot help from none of no pussy clot out there. Me no understand how uno so fucking up in my business which part me a shelter and which part me asleep. Uno blood clot don't even live in there. Me in a prestigious blood clot building and some of uno blood clot followers. Then how the fuck uno talk about me? And me there so from December, the 4th of December, me a pay my way. December, January, February. I end February. Me never call you and ask you for nothing. And you reach out to me. And me tell her say it's not a problem. Me first of all, you should have known better. Me said to you, how are you giving me so much money? Me said to you, if you're involved in anything that is not of God, or you associate with anybody, negativity and social media, me don't want it. You is a bumbleclot liar. You turned to me and said no. So you fucking lied to me. So when afterward, me hear you say you donated to Erica, you donated to Dr. Heat, and you donated to mention nobody else. Only those 2 persons. Me said, if you associate with those people, me don't want it. You turned to me and said, no. I just go on the page and me hear them talking about charity. Me talk it and me just give them something. And me hear you drop word and say you donated to Miss Lady here too. Now you come out, it's like say you want to go up on pages that is highlighted now. You have to find something to do with your time. You have to go and be like Bishop Morgan them. You can't come over here and go on a man page where cost me out in a class, me and go and donate $100 to him. Me not even know. I don't even know when him donate $100 for yesterday or whatever. But me really see title, you know. Me really see title. Listen to me, Sean Miller. Come out of my blood clot business, you hear, sir? Come out of business. Because you walk and say me cuss you out and me cuss you out. Not come out of my fucking business. I don't want the bumble clot help from you. I don't want help. Me's American citizen. Me want pussy clot help. And them say me blind and me deaf and me caca eye. If me want help, me can go to the disability office, right? If me want help, me can go get food stamp, right? And if me want help, me can go to my sister and my friends them for help. Don't call me name. Don't go for your fucking platform. Don't go back for your platform and mention me. No blood clot time. Me don't know you. You donate to me, thank you for it. Just as you donate to me, you say you're a kind-hearted man. Thank you for the kindness because me I donate to people all my fucking life. So if you come back and donate to me, so shall it be. Don't call my name and address me. I don't need no fucking help from you. I don't need no fucking help from the social media people. Stop that blood clot right now. Me never asked for nothing yet. Me never asked if you collect the money. You hear what you say? You were surprising me. That's what you said. You were surprising me. You come talking about you collect $11,000. Me ask you, when I was at the place, you keep on asking me, do you need any help? No. Do you need any help? No. If you need anything, you can call me. I can order something. Me never know me look like me a starve. Look how my blood clot belly big. And look how my face fat and round. Me never know say you see ribs in me. I sure. Stop it and go your way. You're talking about a tell lie for me, say me disrespect you. Suppose me dash out the text message them where you send me. In at the time when you were on that man's side. Me come out and I protect you. Me even tell the people them say no cuss you. And me hear you upon voicemail pan. I said me class you up. Well, first me a class you. I'm going to tell you right now, Sean Miller. Me not calling a pastor. Me not call a pastor before. But when me hear say go upon this a boy a page go donate $100 during the time when him a done me. Me a call you by your name. Don't you ever put back your blood clot, pussy clot foot on my page. And a first in my life, me ever disrespect a pastor. Don't you ever put back your foot on this page and type in nothing to me. Stay away from me. Don't call me name them out. I don't know you from a can of paint. You understand me? I don't know you from a can of paint. Thank you for your donation. Thank you for your donation. And I never spend in a hotel if you pay enough roof over my head. Me tell you what me I buy and me buy exactly what me buy with it. Me tell you something I invest it right in my business. I went into Burlington and I spent $500 and I buy some quilt, some bed in a bag and some stuff and put in my storage. And I order something for my vehicle, which is that I told you I was going to do. When the weather come a little clearer, me drop them off to the guy if he fix it. Don't you ever come back on this page and type in nothing. You is a disgrace. The members of Sean Miller congregation, you is a disgrace. And that is the reason why I realize now why you lose your big congregation. That is the reason why, if you are going to be like that, that is the reason why you lose your big congregation that you had. You can't fool me. I already done tell you who you are. You can't say me never give you a prediction over the phone and I call and I tell you exactly what I see in you and I tell you you're still going through something. Let me tell you something. Come off of me. Don't go and discuss nothing about me. Me never ask for nothing. I never ask if you collect nothing. Come off of my name. Go do the right thing. You understand me? Woman, break your heart. Jesus never break your heart. Let me make it clear. Woman may break your heart, but Jesus never break your heart. Let me repeat it one more time. Woman may break your heart, but Jesus never break your heart. Because I want it with me. I am very committed when it comes to certain things about religion. I'm not all my cuss bad word. You are such a disappointment and a disgrace to call yourself a pastor. How can you go on that demand the page who a slaughter woman every day and join and go donate $100? The man class your blood clot last night and night before. Call your wally pa batty man and you did it, you go fuck batty, you go did this or you did this or you that, and you go on the page, go and type up. Supposed to hear the man dip up underneath you, and you go and send the man $100 and go right up on them page. He after you say you're a man of this and man of that, and you ever hear how the man class you up. Then the same night, the same night when you come when you type on the page, the people who no hear me ask that man for no help? What did I say? Who no hear me ask that man for no help? Then the man come over on page and type up all kind of something and me I ignore him. And me I say, no what? And let me just answer him. He's the one who is suggesting and saying, me come over on page and we're talking about where can I get a nice fine restaurant to eat food. He's the one that come over on page, and start write up one piece of long thing, and said, me want to take you out. Me even mention me even see one text message when he even put all Bentley car. Bentley something you can't come out in the Bentley and sitting like so. Like him thinks I'm afraid, me afraid, me frightened for car. Listen to me, me not frightened for car, My fiance, me used to engage to one white man, a Jaguar. We used to drive Jaguar, convertible Jaguar. Me not frightened for car. Me no ask for nothing. So me supporters them there, you come and write up, and me say, you know what, shit, let me answer him. Because you been coming over here from my friend dead. And I said to me, what do you need? Let me buy you this. Me no answer you. And me say, and the one time me answer you, I this a blood clot, kasa camp on social media. The one time me answer, I say, listen, me no want nothing from you, The only thing I want from you, the only thing I don't want from you, unless you can send me to the right channels. That's what I said in my video. Unless you can introduce me to the right people, we are nationally, where me and you were speaking about how we can get these people to stop the bullying, because that is what you tell me. So you know people. You know people in a Congress, you know people in a this place here. Me say that's what I said to you on my platform. Me members only them there right here. So me say the only way I would take nothing from you unless you are giving me those people to get a lawyer to stop this pussy old boy. As so me say, how is it that now me the past social media asking you for something help? Did I ask you for no help? And then you come over here type up and me ignore you for months now? And you come and bring up the same thing. Oh, people call you and tell you, said, you make me sleeping in my car and you want to help me to buy like a food for eat. You're a damn rasslayer. Because you say I've been watching me. You even go as further and tell me, say, your church people, them love me. I have a church sister, they love when me cuss up with bad word. And I say, really? You say, yes. If me no cuss bad word, she no want to come by here. If me no cuss. As God up heaven, that's what you tell me. Me not lie upon you. You say, if you say cuss out them backside, yes? Then how is it now you want to come degrade me? When you as God up heaven, you tell me that cuss out them backside. And now you're gone for other pages. Who are you? That's when me realize, say, the way you talk, and you go back on your word, and me realize there's something wrong with you. I me give you a good piece of word from God to, What me can tell people them that? What me can tell people them, so me call you and give you one piece of word from the Lord? I'm going to let you know right now. Me don't know what happened in your life. But something is wrong. And you need to get over it. And you explain to me in certain situations when you and I speak. You are not over it yet. And I'm going to tell you right now. Go back by your knee and come off of social media. Leave the Mixup page. Block everybody. Me and everybody. Block everybody and go and see if you can, if there is anybody. Maybe there is a pastor that you can come down off of your pump and pride, because I realize that you lose a lot of your pastor friend them in a certain situation that went down, I'm going to say a year or two ago. You need to find somebody, any pastor out there where you and Sean Miller are friend, who need to reach out to him and tell him what he's doing is wrong. Because right now, you're going to a psychological evaluation right now. Me not lie. Me I tell you straight up. Something, you are going through a mental situation.